Hey first graders, it's Mrs. Daniel from Citizenship Academy, and today we're going to work on lesson 24 in Module 2. Okay, our objective for today is to strategize to solve, take from, with change unknown problems. So basically, we're going to be looking at subtraction problems. Okay, so here's our first one. Today, I was passing the same tree. There were 11 birds in the tree when I first looked at it. I looked away. When I looked back, there were 5 birds. How many birds flew away? So, in the lesson yesterday and the day before, we would draw circles for how many things we had. We can do the same for these type of problems. We're going to draw 11 circles to show how many birds there were. So here's 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And now we know that 5 of them stayed. There are 5 that stayed. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to circle a group of 5. And those stayed. And now we have to figure out how many birds flew away. So we can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 birds flew away. 11 minus 6 equals 5. 6 birds flew away. Remember, with our read, draw, write strategy, at the end we write our sentence. And this was our draw strategy. We draw and label our picture. All right, let's look at this problem. Mina had 13 ants in her ant farm. Some ants escaped. Now there are 9 ants in the ant farm. How many ants escaped? Okay, so we know we had 13 to start with. So we can draw 13 circles to represent ants. And then let's circle a group of 9. And that's how many are still there. How many are left? We'll see how many escaped. So we drew 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We circle a group of 9 because that's how many are still there. Okay? And the rest is how many escaped. So these are the ones who stayed. This group is a group who escaped. And there are 4. So our number sentence is 13 minus 4 equals 9. 4 ants escaped. Look at this problem. Jamal had 14 trains, but he only found 8 of his trains. How many of his trains are missing? So he had 14 trains, and he only found 8 of them. So how many circles would we draw on our whiteboard? 14, that's right. So go ahead and draw 14 circles on your whiteboard. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I got my 14. Do you have your 14? Okay. We have 14 to represent 14 trains. And 8 of them, Jamal found 8 trains. So let's circle 8 trains that he found. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So he found 8 trains. These are the ones he found. There's 8 of them. And how many are missing? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 trains missing. Okay, so we could make this into an addition problem, or we could say 14 minus the number we didn't know how many we're missing equals 8. And 6 is how many we're missing. And then we would say 6 trains are missing. Right? 6 trains are missing. Do you have this on your paper? All right, let's go back to our PowerPoint. You guys are doing an awesome job. Keep it up. Oh, look at this little train here. All right, so we've got 14 total. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's how many he found. And we have 6 that are missing. So 14 minus 6 equals 8. And there are 6 trains are missing. Okay. June's baby brother hid some of her blocks. She has 7 blocks now. She used to have 15 blocks. Has that ever happened to you? Oh, I know when I was younger, my brother used to always take my stuff. How many blocks should June be looking for? So she had 15 and she found 7 of them, but her brother hid some of them. So she's missing some blocks. We're wondering how many she's missing. All right, so what's step number 1? We want to do what? Draw a picture. That's right. We want to draw a picture. So we're going to draw some circles. How many circles should we draw? 15. We should draw 15 circles. And then circle a group of 7, right? 15. We'll circle a group of 7. So go ahead and draw your 15 circles. I got my 15. Did you draw 15? That's what mine looks like. I did it in groups of 5. You can do it in groups of 5, but you don't have to. All right, and who remembers how many are we going to circle? Was it 7? Let me go back and look because I forgot. 7, yep, I was right. 7 blocks. So 7 blocks is how many he has. So let's circle 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. We already know this is 5, 6, 7. Okay, so there's 7 blocks, and that's how many he has. And he's still missing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the ones he still needs to find, or that she's missing. June. So it's a girl. So that's how many June is missing. So they have 7. They're missing 8. So we said 15 minus, this is what we're looking for, equals 7. That's how many she has right now. So June needs to look for 8 blocks. Okay? June needs to look for 8 blocks. Does your paper look similar to my board? Nice work. All right. We'll go back to the PowerPoint, see if ours matches theirs. So we have 15 minus, we don't know what, equals 7. We drew 15. This is a group of 7. This is how many she has. This is how many she's looking for or missing. So she's missing 8 of them. In our sentence, 8 blocks are missing. All right. And that's all for today, friends. So nice to work with you, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye.